go and express our heartfelt gratitude in a song.
Yeah, that's perfect.
That's perfect.
Lalapit ko lang yung mukha.
Yes, yes.
Lalapit ko lang yung mukha. Tuloy lang. Gusto ko rin gano'n ni Vice.
Vice Bay.
Okay, may tatanungin ka ako.
May interview. Talaga may interview ba? Pabilis lang. Okay. Vice and Bayo, what's the secret to your long-lasting ate-girl friendship?
Sincerity.
Yes, and no BS.
Yeah.
No judgment, respect for one another.
Yeah.
And one last, if you could give each other a love advice, what would it be?
I don't take love advice anymore. I don't.
We just love. We just love.
We just love.
In our time.
Life goes on. We have our own timeline.
That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I don't take any love advice.